Welcome, in front of me say DOOGEE S50, and today I will show you how to enter the factory mode on this device. So to get started, let's hold the power key and select power off. Now once the device is off, all you want to do is hold power key and volume down, both of those keys at the same time. And when you see the DOOGEE logo, you can let go. And we're now in the factory mode. So from here you can use only volume down key to navigate. And also, as you can see, you have an English factory, so once you select it using volume down, you want to press power key to confirm it, and it will change the language to English. And here you can see you can run a bunch of tests. So you have manual and auto test, item test reports, bug test, clear eMMC, which is just a different way of calling a hard reset of the device. Then you have version information, reboot, and Chinese factory, which will just go back to the one that we had previously. So whatever you select, which for me I'm going to select reboot to also leave this mode. Now you want to press power key to confirm it, like so, and now I'm leaving it. And you can see we're back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.